Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how I installed, or me with some help, this awning, the shade cloth behind me right there, and let's go. So today I want to talk to you about the shade cloth that somebody requested that I should do a video on it. And the shade cloth is good to block the sun, and it's harmful rays for my succulents. And so we have an awning here in the back, and my husband braced it with PVC pipe, and I made the shade cloth kind of like a curtain so that it could go in through the PVC, and he braced it with these brackets right here, just to hold it. There was one in the middle, but the fabric was in the way, but it's okay. It's holding it up pretty good, and it's just like a hook. It's not like this C clamp right here that you see, but he clamped it on both sides so that the patio awning can hold this. It's not really that heavy, but it is made out of fabric that it's like kind of like a plastic, so it's good for all weather, even though I take it down in the wintertime and the rainy season because I don't want to get it ruined by the weather. So here I have a tree, and everything is coming down. We did this the black mesh here too because of all these leaves that are just coming our way here, and it's just ridiculous. So it not only blocks the sun, it also blocks the dead leaves coming down. And as we know, succulents are not good with dead leaves because it attracts a lot of mealybugs, and it's gonna kill your plants. So what happened was we had it attached to the it was kind of like emergency type thing because it was getting really hot here last summer, and my plants were dying. But look how big they got, only because I had shaded this area right here. And this is all pretty much all the echeverias that I have. I have some echeverias over here, and this one seems to be doing okay in direct sun, and so is this one. Is kind of not doing too well. I don't know why. And then my Black Prince, it's new, so I'm hoping that next fall and winter it's going to start growing progressively. Then I have this one. This one seems to be okay too. I just need to get rid of some of this dead leaves. That's the blue sky. I love this one. This is really pretty. Anyway, so go back to the shade cloth. I'll have the description, the link on the description for you if you wanted to get one. But it does block 90 something percent of the UV rays. So what happened is I just ordered this. I think this was the widest that they had, but you can get it at any length. They can cut it for you. Then I put these eyelets. It was kind of hard because I didn't have the right tool. So if you plan to do this, you should probably get the right tools for it. And I just spaced it out. I think it's like 18 inches in between. So that's enough to hold it. Sorry about the neighborhood noise. Then it was attached. See, if you look closer, there are hooks. However, during windy day, that it's flapping around in the wind like this, so it detaches from the hook, And look how I had the hooks. They're all different levels, like high and low and stuff. So I asked my husband to put like a board between this pole, and that pole, so it's steady and it's going to be very sturdy. This is irritating, so irritating, this tree. So then what I'm gonna do is I got some eye hooks, but they're not hooks, they're this stuff right here. So I'm gonna replace those and then just feed ropes all around to just so that it can hold. Actually, do I even need the eye hooks? Because I could probably just, I'll do it the right way. So because I was thinking just feeding it through, since there's spaces there, just feed it through. But I'll show you what I'm doing. And I don't know, see, it's really, really tight right here. Okay, this is the end of it. So I just wrapped the rope all the way around, and I ran out of rope right here, so I just had to, add some more rope and tied it from the end back. So this is where it stopped right there. So I had to go from here to here, but it works, so I'm good. Just a few casualties, well, not casualties, but damages. Like I stepped on something right here. Stepped on this a little bit. What are you gonna do? There's gonna be accidents. So that is that. And I know it's not going anywhere. Bam.
One, two,
and as
three,
always,
4.
if you like this video, please smash the like button, share, comment, and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out.